My name is Kehinde Ezekiel. My discipline was mass communication. I write non-fiction books too, and I sing. Okay, my genre of song is gospel. I sing gospel right from my childhood till now. Okay, I've been privileged to sing with lots of people, especially choirs. I've been to Nigerian Christian Corpus Fellowship. I've sung with a couple of Redeemed churches and Celestian churches, because Celestian church is my background. It was where God took me from. Professionally, I couldn't tell because I can't remember, but I started singing professionally 5 years ago. Okay, first and foremost, my major source of inspiration was God Almighty. I was inspired to sing, and most often when I'm alone, I get inspired to compose songs. Often when I pray, when I worship God, so that is my source of inspiration. So God is my source of inspiration. Okay, my musical style is fantastic. It is it is worth listening to, and what sets me out is that I get inspired directly. Like the most songs that I compose, I haven't gotten any paid. Glory be to God. So I get directly
from the throne of God.
Yes. Yes, sarcastically. Okay, first and foremost, my music role model is Dunsin Oyekan. I listen to Dunsin Oyekan very well. And Tim Godfrey, Dunsin Oyekan, Tim Godfrey. I listen to artists like Victoria Orenze. I listen to Nathaniel Bassey. So those are my role models in music. Okay, the primary message my song is trying to pass to the world is hope, new life, a renewed mind. You know, when you get inspired, you get renewed, like your mind gets renewed. Yes, from being average mind to above average. So it's a message of renewal. Okay, so I'll start with what I've done. I've done a song, Heavens Declare. It's on all the platforms. So Heavens declare your God, Heavens declare your good, Heavens declare that you're King of Heavens. So that is my first project. Then my audience should be expecting at least 2 songs this month by God's grace. So 2 songs, and it will be a very powerful one. Thank you. Okay, my biggest, I won't say it is a challenge per se, but one of the challenges is that I haven't gotten opportunities to be on a pedestal where I will be seen more and I will be heard more. With the help of Elegant Empire Music, I'll be able to achieve more, meet new people, and I thank God for the opportunities the CEO brought to every aspiring artist to enable us come out more, for the world to see us more and to get a good glimpse of our creativity. Okay, so my on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Kehinde Ezekiel, search Kehinde Ezekiel. So it will bring out the results, and that's me. I'm the only one for now. Okay, so my advice to all aspiring artists is that no matter what hurdles you encounter on your way to the top, don't give up. You know, there is always a pedestal for everybody. The sky is very wide for everybody to fly. So don't give up on yourself. Keep working on yourself. Keep developing yourself, and in a little while the result will come up. Thank you.
Beautiful. I like that word. The sky is wide enough for everybody to work to fly. I like it. That's great. Thank you very much for coming, Mr. Kehinde. I'll see you next time.
Thank you, sir.
We expect more from you.